Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to use the Fibonacci tool on TradingView, one of those features that can seriously sharpen up your technical analysis skills, even if you're just getting started. By the end of this quick tutorial, you'll know exactly how to set up and tidy up your Fibonacci retracement levels for a clean, useful chart. Let's not waste any time and dive right into it. So first off, you'll want to head to TradingView. If you've never been on the platform before, all you need to do is open your browser and go to TradingView.com. It's one of the most popular charting sites with free access to loads of markets and drawing tools. If you already have an account, just log in. If not, it's pretty quick to sign up. Once you're there, you'll see the main dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. Next, select the product you want to analyze. That could be a stock, a crypto pair, or pretty much any financial instrument TradingView supports. Just use the search bar at the top to type in the ticker symbol or name. For example, if you're interested in Apple, type AAPL. If it's Bitcoin, go with BTCUSD. Click on it, and you'll be taken straight to its live price chart. This step is important because your Fibonacci lines will be specific to the market you're viewing. Now let's bring up the Fibonacci tool. Look along the toolbar on the left-hand side of your chart. You'll spot a little icon that probably looks like a retracement line or might be labeled Fib Retracement. Click on that. It might seem a bit intimidating if you've never used it, so don't worry, I'll walk you through how to draw it correctly. The idea here is to measure a key price move, so pick out a significant high and low point on the chart. Typically, you'd start from either a swing high down to a swing low for a retracement in an uptrend, or vice versa if you're looking for reversals. Click at your starting point, then drag to the other end of the move and let go. You'll see a series of horizontal lines pop up instantly across your price chart. Now, here come the adjustment details that make your chart actually useful instead of cluttered. Right-click anywhere on the Fibonacci lines and choose Settings or Properties from the menu. By default, TradingView will display several Fibonacci levels, sometimes more than you actually need, which can end up looking messy or even confusing, especially if you're trying to focus on the most important retracement levels. Take a moment to uncheck or delete the extra lines, leaving only the core levels. Most often, you'll just want the 0 and 1 lines, which mark the start and end of your measured move. This step keeps your chart clean, making it a breeze to spot where price might react, without getting lost in a jungle of colored horizontal stripes. Once you're happy with your selection, click OK to save your changes. Look at your chart now. The Fibonacci tool should look crisp and neat, just showing the significant levels you care about. If you want, you can customize the color of your Fibonacci lines to match your chart style or make them stand out. Just go back into the settings, but for this tutorial, we're keeping things as they are. And that's pretty much it. Now you've got a clear, personalized set of Fibonacci levels on your TradingView chart, ready to help you spot possible support, resistance, or trend reversal areas for your next trade. Remember, these lines aren't magic, but they can seriously help you plan your entries or exits if you use them confidently. Thanks so much for following along. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and let me know in the comments below if you have any questions or want to see more on charting tools. And of course, hit that subscribe button for more easy-to-follow trading tutorials. See you in the next video.